My job is just to find out the truth and run back and fucking tell y'all. Here's the truth. I've been around this country for 17 100 city tours. Take my word for this.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Sunday, January 7th. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Talk List. In today's video, I have two plays for you. Let's delve right in. First one is AMPE. Two plays for you to watch this coming week. AMPE closed down 7.77% on Friday to settle at $1.78. The low on the day was $1.75. 2 pennies shy of pounds on this one. The volume on Friday was 826K. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 400K. This one is in a biotech space and their headquarters out of Colorado. This one is spikeable. For example, November 30th, the stock went from $1.86 to $7.47 on a volume of 19 million shares exchanged hands. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $2 million. This is AMPE. They have a teeny tiny float of just 814K. 2% of the float are held by insiders. 0.30% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 10% of the float. Total cash of $6 million and a total debt of 362K. Their current ratio is sitting at 3.37. Current ratio 3.37. Their total cash per share 7.73. This is AMPE. Their book value per share 6.68. Pay attention to this one this coming week, AMPE. Stock number 2 to put on your stock list this week, AIRE, AIRE. AIRE closed down 8.57% on Friday to settle at $1.60. Low on the day, $1.55, $1.55, a brand new 52-week low of $1.55. This one is due for a run-up, AIRE. This one is in the real estate space and their headquarters out of Ohio. The company made their stock debut on October 23. And on that day, the stock went from $23 all the way to $575.41. Let that sink in. $23 all the way to $575. In addition to that, November 14th, the stock went from $4.05 all the way to $14.88. So you see this one has spikeability. The volume on November 14th was 28 million shares exchanged hands. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 70 million. 6 million in the float. 85% of the float are held by insiders. Let me repeat that. 85% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. Institution has 0.05% of the float and shorts has 0.09%. They have 321K in revenues. Their revenue per share 0.01. This is AIRE. They have a total cash of 605K and total debt of 261K. Their current ratio is sitting at 0.87, just below par, 0.87. Current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. A current ratio measures the propensity of a stock going bankrupt within the short term, 6 months to a year. Be cautious with this one, AIRE. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose, and whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, go back to your Sunday activities, and I'll see you tomorrow with Money Making Mondays. Take it easy.
You're going to track the movement of the stock. You're going to write where the stock opened,
You're going to write it down, because when you write things down, it permeates through your brain. The high of the day of the stock, the low of the day. Write down the volume of the day. 5% and above, 5% and below. That way the trading platform will alert you. It starts to move, whether upward or downward. Alright, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
As all the people that love oxtails, make some noise if you love oxtails. First of all, it's a lot of y'all. Why did you stop at the tail? You didn't ever want no ox steak? Or no ox ribs? Ain't nobody ever had an ox roast? There ain't no motherfucking oxes. My job is just to find out the truth and run back and fucking tell y'all. Fucking tell y'all. Here's the truth. I've been around this country for 1,700 city tours. Take my word for this.